3 o'clock. Got 2 ships down, 1 just crashed. Bird. They've got 23.
But I'm just going to bring your attention to this tool here. It's the Bear Hobbies Super Mixer. They're available from me directly for well, €50, $60, £45. Definitely, this is not, despite appearance, it is not an IKEA milk frother. Not that, no, it's the Bear Hobbies Super Mix. I'm just going to show you how that works. With these, the tamiyas, the Mr. Colours, the paint does tend to separate out a little bit, and it's a good idea to mix up the paint. I'm just going to show you how you do that. The essential thing here is, this one's pretty good actually, but you can see how liquidy it is on top. It means that there's a lot of stuff at the bottom. Do not, whatever you do, do not do that and then stick it in, honestly. Oh, disaster. Okay, what you do is you put the mixer into the bottle, switch it on, then turn it off. Got a little bit of spillage there, but not much. That mixes up the paint really good. Nice even consistency. I made a bit of a mess there. And then to clean her out, same thing. Put inside a vat of thinner and switch her on again. And just give it a bit of a wipe, just to keep it clean. So, let's get on with the painting.